Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Last week the Australian dollar got a slight helping hand as better than expected data reassured bullish confidence in the pair. The current account balance for the Australian dollar posted its first surplus in 44 years, along with news that the US and China are to resume trade talks next month, which also increased confidence in the sentiment. However, technically, we are challenging this level of 45 and we may see a slight extension beyond there, but I do believe no further than 80. It is assessed that we are overbought and we are top of the range, and we are not trending. So therefore, I'm looking for a pullback to 68.15 and a break beneath there reopens the downside to 67.55. Well, since Euro posted a long-legged doji, along with that, so did the US dollar index. In theory, the US dollar and also with the Euro sees indecisiveness, and therefore I do expect to see the market still challenge and fouled if seen to the upside. The long-legged doji indicates that prices have traded well above and below the session's opening level, but closed virtually even to the open. This, on the flip side, is also seen that the market may see a slight recovery in the US dollar. So at present, I still see 110.80 to 111 figure 15 as a cap where I've highlighted here, and I do see a pullback to 110.05. And in respect of the previous hammer, you can see the market only traded for a handful of days and dropped back. This is the same pattern, and then let's see if the market does, for the start of the week, display a weaker price action and look back towards 110 or 109.35. The dollar yen, since popping above the 106.80-90 level, has failed to initiate any bullish move, and furthermore should find resistance around 107.25 or cap at 107.55 and an opportunity to shorten the market, as I believe we are looking back towards 106.30-40 as a potential target. The pound has taken a bit of a breather after the hammer, the break of the trend, and now looks towards the level of 125 as an objective. We could see a small pullback for the start of the week at 122.65 to 122.20, but I do believe the market is likely to fail of any bearishness and maybe even stage a further rebound in terms of how these candles are displayed and look towards a 123.75.90 with the objective of 125. Gold, since staging a heavy sell-off from around 1,550, could still weaken into this week. We are looking down towards a possible target around 1,488 to 92. Resistance comes in at 16 to 22. I'm not bearish, but I believe the market is just getting out of some of its longs and re-establishing a bull trade a little bit lower. Wrapping up with oil, still holding a bullish outlook, and I still believe once we get above $57 a barrel, we are looking at 58 to 62 as an objective. Any pullback should be shallow, and I see first support at 55.50. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.